In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage users on Acuity scheduling. Now to do this, it's actually super simple. At the bottom left inside your dashboard, there's a tab called Manage Users. So just click on that, and then from here, it's going to take you to a separate page here, which is called Squarespace up top, and this is where you can basically put different permissions onto different users. So I'm going to go and click on Invite Contributor, and what you have to do here is basically, first you have to verify and continue as your account to be able to do this, because of course of security measures. So I'm just going to sign in yet again over here, and I'm going to invite my other account in here. So there we go, invite contributor. I'm going to name this one Instant, for example, and the email address is going to be this one. So the other one I use, just a second, there we go. And then whenever you do this, you can go and select the different global permissions. You can make them administrator if you want to. You can go and allow them to basically change plans, except for domains, etc. So a bunch of different things you can do here. I'm going to actually make this one a scheduling administrator over here, and they can also view and edit. And of course, you could do view only. So I'm going to do administrator, and I'm going to leave them as, of course, not the general admin, but just the scheduling admin. I'm going to click on invite. And there we go, they will get an invite over here, and of course, whenever the invite is accepted, they'll basically come in here, and you can, anyways, you can just click on here anytime you want, and then from here, you can click on the right and cancel the invite. You can, of course, kick them out if you wanna. You can change their permissions whenever you want. Just don't forget to actually save this up top whenever you're ready, okay? So I'm gonna cancel right now because I'm happy with my choices, but that's essentially how you can manage users on Acuity scheduling. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.